Hello, my dear students. Adarsh Coaching YouTube channel to Tumanu Sagat. Dear student, today we are going to study a mathematics chapter of your class 7. Algebraic expression. First, we are going to study what is algebraic expression. The mathematical expression. Algebra is a part of mathematics. It is expression. The mathematical expression have variables and constant, having variable and constant. ताले वेरिएबल एंड कांस्टेंट को लेकिन गोटे मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन को आम एक्सप्रेस कले इट इज योर algebra. In algebra we are going to study algebra. X, Y, Z are variables. Similarly, you may use A, B, C or any number, any symbolically representation. These are X, Y, Z, A, B, C are any unknown terms. Variable. Variable means value of these variables vary karibo, not constant. Constant is just your 7, 8, 9. Values of 7 is always remain unchanged. Constant, that means. But what you will say about x? X विषय तमें कौन कहो? X may be equal to 1, x may be 2, x may be 3. Let age of a person is x, means it may 30, it may 70, 50, 5, similar. These are called X, Y, Z or A, B, C or any letter are variables. Constants are numerical constants or constant term. Now 2x plus 5. Here 5 is your constant. X is your variable and 2 is your coefficient. 2 is your coefficient. Value of 2x depend upon value of x. 2x value क्या है? It is depend upon x. If x equal to 2, 2x equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. If x equal to 3, x equal to 3, 2x equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. In this way, we will be able to find the value of 2x plus 5. If x equal to 2, then 2x plus 5 will be 2 into x are 1 plus 5. 2 into 1, 2 plus 5. 7 will be your answer. Similarly, if x equal to 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 5. 2 3 are 6 plus 5. 11 is your answer. These are all algebraic expressions. Numerical problem and algebraic expression टिके फरक होउछ. Word problem को you can express in algebraic terms by using several variables को use करके. Suppose 2 times of a number is 6. 2 times of a number is 6. You can express it by algebraic expression. Then 2 times of one number. Let the number is x. Let the number is x. Then 2 times means 2 into x equal to 6. It is the algebraic expression of this mathematical term. 2 times of a number is 6. Similarly, in your book, suppose 2x square plus 3. There are two terms, two algebraic terms, 2x square. 2 into x is 2x square. 2 into x plus 3 is your constant. X is your variable. Here x to power 2 means x into x. Similarly, another term, the expression 2y square. 2y square means 2 into y into y. It is a algebraic expression also. Only single term. It is a monomial. Mono means 1. Now 4xy plus 7. Another example. Algebraic expression example again. 4xy plus 7. There are two terms 4 into x into y is a single term. 4 into x into y plus 7 is another term. Tale 4 into x into y plus 7. There are two variables x and y. Two variables x and y. If x equal to 1, y equal to 5, then this expression 4xy plus 7 will be 4 into 1 into 5 plus 7. 4 1 4 into 5, 20 plus 7. Answer will be here 27. It is an algebraic expression. Now, factors, terms of an expression. Terms to mu already तुमको explain कर सारे. 4xy plus 7. There are two terms. 2y square, only one term. 7x square plus 9x minus 5. There are three terms. But x, y, z or 2x into 3y into 5z. These expressions have only one term. Here x, y, z means x into y into z is a single term. Because if we put x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5, then this expression will be 1 into 3 into 5, 15 will be answer. Similarly, 2x into 3y into 5, answer will be 2 into 1, 2x, plus 3 into 3, plus 1, multiply. 2 into x, 3 into y, into 5 into z will be 5. 2 1 is 2, 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25. Answer will be 225, 50 into 9. 450 will be answer. It is a single term, a constant term as well. That means 2x into 3y into 5z is a monomial, means single term. Though there are three terms, but multiplied with each other multiply each other. Similarly, x, just like your x, y, z. X, y and z, three variables, but multiplied by each other. That's why these are monomials or having single term. Now, another thing about your algebraic expression, it is your factors of terms. Factors 2x square plus 5. There are two terms. Factors are 2 into x, and here it is only 5. 5 is a constant. That means factors are different things multiplied with this term. जहाँ से term में multiply है. Another example, 4y square minus 3xy. 4x square minus 3xy. There are two terms. Factors are here 4. Factors are 4x and x. 4x square, 4 into x into x. Similarly, 3xy. There are three factors. 3x and y. Factor 3 रे तुम्हें explain कर पाइयो. Similarly, another expression 5xy plus 10. There are two terms. 5xy is one term, another term is 10. There are three factors. 5x and y. It is a single factor. 2 you can express it 2 into 5 or simply 10. Example 1 from your book. Identify in the following expression terms which are not constant. Give their numerical coefficients. What is coefficient? xy plus 4. First expression is your xy plus 4. Question coach, identify in the following expression terms. First you will identify the term. There are two terms. xy and 5. Then xy plus 5. Then terms which have no constant. তাহলে 5 is your constant. তাহলে only xy is a term having no constant. It's a coefficient. Coefficient means the digit or the number multiplied with the variables. Variables सहित जहाँ multiply to. Suppose it is 3x. Then x is a variable. 3 is your coefficient. 3 is your coefficient. Similarly, xy means here 1 into xy. That means the coefficient is only 1. Coefficient is 1. 5 is a constant term. Have no coefficient. Coefficient necessary 9. 5 from which like another expression 13 minus y square. 13 minus y square. Here 13 is a constant term. Have no coefficient. Minus y square is a term having coefficient minus 1. Coefficient minus 1. Similarly, another term expression 13 minus y plus 5y square. There are 3 terms. But 13 is a constant, not necessary write its coefficient. Minus y another term, its coefficient is minus 1. 5y square another term, coefficient 5. In this way you will be able to find the coefficient of variables. Variable of coefficient हमें find out करें. Now example 2. Example 2. The question is, what are the coefficients of x following expression? Here we are going to find the coefficient of x only. The expression is 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y. Here x containing term is 4x and 3y have no x term, x variables. 3y रे x variable नहीं. ताले 4x रे only x अच्छी. ताले coefficient of x is your 4. Similarly, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is your minus 3. Coefficient of y is minus 3. Another expression 8 minus x plus y. There are 3 terms. X containing term is your minus x. And here coefficient of x is minus 1. Coefficient of y is 1. Another expression 2j minus 5xy. Here x containing variable. There are 2 terms. X थिबा term दिया होची 5 minus 5xy. Minus 5xy coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is your minus 5y. Minus 5y is your coefficient of minus 5xy. ताले similarly coefficient of y equal to minus 5x. In this way you will be able to find the coefficients. Like and unlike terms. Now we are going to like and unlike terms. Like terms. Like terms means the mathematical expression or a term have similar variable and having equal power. Like terms. Like terms से तुम्हें दीटा जिनसा देखियो. First one is your similar or same. Similar or same थी वो variable. एंड सेमानकर इक्वल थिबो पावर दैट मीन 5x x कंटेनिंग टर्म आ गोटे जे कि ता सहित लाइक टर्म हो ताले 10x हेले हो जदि 3x y ले जाउ तो it is not like term with 5x because there are two variables x and y. Similarly 5x square and 10x are unlike, not like terms, because here power of x is 2 and here power of x is 1. That means you think or you need two things for the like terms. One is your similar or same variable, another is equal power. -7 and 8. These are two constant terms. Number kete achi taku bhabi is not necessary. Only term ko dekhiba tame. There are two constant terms. -7 and 8 are like terms. What is the required of a like term? A like term no required kon na algebraic expression जेतल तमे addition subtraction करिबो at the time of addition subtraction first addition x सहित only 3x plus 2x. You can add only like terms 3x plus 2x answer will be 5x, but 3x plus 2y you will not write 5x. 5x सहित तमे लिख परिबो नै 3 plus 2 5 हेला x plus y x y पर multiply हेले like था or like था you can multiply it because 3x into 2y you will write 6xy you can write तो लिख पारिबो, but 3x plus 2y you cannot write 5xy. only unchanged रहबा रिमेन 3x सहित 2y add हे पारिबो say 3x plus 2y is your answer. Here like terms, suppose what expression एमती अछि add addition रे only add देछि 5x square plus 3x minus 9 plus 4x square minus 8x plus 6. How can we add this? केमती add करिबो? First like terms को group करो. Grouping the like terms. Here 5x square, another x square term is 4x square. Now 3x minus 8x. Now minus 9 minus 6. 5x square plus 4x square is your 9x square. 3x minus 8x minus 5x minus 9 minus 6 minus 15 is your answer. In this way you will be able to group it in the like terms and add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 terms. But addition value you will get only 3 terms. Arrange the like term first. Then you will be able to add this. Similarly, subtraction. Only like terms you will be able to subtract. Multiplication and division, like term is not necessary. ताले addition subtraction के लिए like term जरूरी है. Only like term को add करी परिबो and subtract करी परिबो. You will not add any unlike or dissimilar terms. Similar term को ही तमे addition subtraction करी परिबो. Now another things about your algebraic expression, that is your monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Mono. A mono means a single. Then binomial. Binomial means 2 terms. The algebraic expression having 2 terms. Trinomial. Trinomial means algebraic expression having 3 terms. Monomial. Polynomials. A poly word means many. Polynomial. Many terms. Having polynomial is algebraic expression having many terms, but all monomial, binomial and trinomial belong to this polynomial family. Monomial, binomial, trinomial are belongs to polynomial family. Now example 3. Your book. According to your book, example 3. Example 3. State with regions which of the following pair of terms are of like terms and which are unlike terms. Like term and unlike term. 7x 12y are unlike terms because here variables are not same. Variables same na. Tale different achi. Unlike terms. Like term hai. Unlike terms you can write unlike terms or different terms. Unlike terms because variables are not same. Variables are not same. Similarly, another thing, 15x and minus 21x. These two terms are like terms because these two terms have same variable or similar variable, same variable. In this way, we will be able to do the example 3. Now your exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Subtraction of a z from y. Question number 1I. Algebraic expression କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଛି. Algebraic expression in the following terms using variable and constants. Arithmetic expression କେମିତି ତମେ arithmetic operation ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ algebraic term ରେ express କରିବ. Subtraction of z from y. ତାହେଲେ subtract z from y. From y means y minus z is your answer. This is your algebraic expression. Arithmetic expression को algebraic expression रे express करूँ. 1/2 of sum of number x and y. Sum of x and y is your x plus y. And here question is given 1/2 of sum of x and y. X plus y रा sum रा 1/2. ताले 1/2 of x plus y. Answer will be x plus y by 2. Similarly, question number 3. The number z multiplied by itself. Z multiplied by itself. That means z into z. Answer will be and z square. Question IV. 1/4 of product of number p and q. 1/4 means 1/4. Product of p and q. That means p and q, pq by 4 is your answer. In this way, you will be able to do your exercise. Question number 1 is your pretty easy. Another question. Number vi. Number 5 added to 3 times the product of number m and n. Number 5 add with plus 3 times of 3 times means 3 into product of m and n. Product of means m into n the product. Tale 5 is add 3 times of the product of m and n. 5 plus m into n, mn into 3, 3mn is your answer. V2i. V2i question is your product of a number y and a z. Subtracted from 10. From 10 means the first 10. 10 minus subtraction. Product of y and z. Y into z. That means 10 minus yz is your answer. V3. Sum of a and b subtracted from their product. That is sum of a and b sum of a and b equal to a plus b. Subtract this from their product. Product equal to product a into b, that will be a b. From subtract the question is your sum of a and b subtracted from their product. Then product to subtracted about, that will be a b minus a plus b is your answer. In this way you will be able to do your question number 1. Now question number 2. Identify the term and their factors. Already मैं डिस्कशन कर सारी खाली 2 नंबर गोटे ई नंबर कर दूसरी माइनस ए बी प्लस 2b स्क्वायर माइनस 3a स्क्वायर. देयर आर 3 टर्म्स एंड फैक्टर्स a into b first, second one 2 into b into b, third one 3 into a into a. In this way you will able to do question number 2. Now question number 2a, identify terms and factors. In this way you will able to do. Pretty easy. Identify the numerical coefficient of a term other than constant. Already मु example गुड़ाक तुमको कही सारी. Question number 5. Question number 5. Classify monomial, binomial and trinomial. It is given 4y minus 7z. There are 2 terms, means a binomial. Similarly, y square. Question number 5, 2y. Y square, only one term, monomial. Third I. X plus y minus xy. There are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. Means trinomial. Trinomial. Question number 6. Now question number 6. Question number 6. State whether the pair of terms like or like. Already more like or like term koi sarchi. But here question number I, 1 and 100. 2 constant terms. That will say like term. Question number 2 I. Minus 7x, 5 by 2x. There are 2 terms and having same variable x and power given same. That means these are like. Third I. Minus 29x, minus 29y. Here coefficients 29 remain unchanged. Minus 29 also. But variables are differ, x and y. That means unlike terms. In this way you will be able to do your question number 6. Now question number 7. Last question of this exercise. Question 7. Identify the like terms. Here minus x y square. X y square. Like term is with this expression 2x y square are like terms. Similarly, minus 4y x square. Like term is 20 x square y. Next, 8x square. Another like term minus 11x square and minus 6x square are like terms. Similarly, 7y like terms is your y is given here. Now minus 100x with a like term is your 3x. Similarly, minus 11yx like term with this term is your 2xy. In this way, you will be able to do your exercise 10.1. It is the last of your class. Algebraic expression, all about the algebraic expression, basic ideas, and complete your exercise 10.1. Next we will next part of your this lesson we will study further. Today it is last of your this class. Jai Jagannath. Thank you to all.